guys, this is Apashri and welcome back to my channel. So if you don't know me, I make fashion and makeup related content here. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned to my next interesting videos that I'll be uploading. So guys, so today I want to talk to you about the triangle of light technique, which is one of the most important techniques I must say when it comes to makeup because it instantly balances out your face features. So here I'm going to show you how to instantly lift and brighten up your makeup. Okay, so for this look I'll be needing a concealer, highlighter, setting powder, and a beauty blender and a brush. Okay, so talking about the triangle of light technique, this is basically the first thing you notice in a person's face when you look at the person. So it basically starts at the end of the eyebrows and ends at the tip of the cupid bow. So basically when we look at somebody, we basically look at this part, like this triangle which starts from the end of the eyebrows to the cupid bow and then there. So this is exactly the area we tend to focus when we look at somebody, and that's the exact reason why we tend to highlight this part and the under the eyebrows and the center of the forehead and tip of the nose, the cupid's bow, and we also highlight our chin because once you start smiling at somebody or you give them a laugh or whatever, you tend to look at their teeth and their lips. Okay, that's when your focus of the triangle gets distracted with the teeth or your lips. And that's also the main reason why your eyebrows are the most important part of your face, because that's where your focus starts from, because that's where your eyebrows fall into the triangle and that's where your focus starts. So eyebrows are very important when you do your makeup, or even if you don't like doing your makeup, at least get your eyebrows done. So let's just get into the tutorial on how to highlight this part. So first thing I would talk about is a concealer. So for the concealer, I'm using the Maybelline concealer. So let's just start and I'll teach you how to achieve the look. So for that you need a concealer. So to be honest, I've already done my base and I've done my eyes and my lips and my eyebrows already. So I'll just show you how to highlight the triangle part of your face by using concealer and a highlighter. Okay, so it's very easy. All that you need is a concealer. So for the concealer, I'm using the Maybelline concealer. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it in the inner corners of my eyes and the edge. Okay, I'm also going to highlight it here and the bridge of my nose. The tip of my chin. So what I'll be doing is I'll be just taking the beauty blender and just blending it out. So since I had already done my makeup, so you can always do this before you do your eye makeup so that you don't have problems like me into blending it out. Okay. Yeah. So you can see that it has instantly lifted up your face. Now for the highlighter part, I'll just take this highlighter. I'm using the highlighter from Nykaa. It's Glitterati 2. So I'm going to use the golden and I'm going to mix both of them. Okay, and I'm going to highlight this part. So what you do is you highlight this part which comes in the triangle. You highlight your cupid's bow and the tip of your nose. And I'm also going to highlight this area. You can use a brush if you want. I prefer using my fingers. So you can just take a blender and just blend it out. And also take the highlighter and put it in the inner corner in the tear duct area. So this is also going to instantly brighten up your look. As you can see, it has completely changed my eye look. So as you can see, it has completely changed my face. It has like brightened up my makeup look and also lifted up my features. So this is something you can do, and this is called the triangle of light. So this is where the light instantly reflects your features. So that's it. So that's all for the video. So if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also comment down below how you like this video, and stay tuned for more videos like this. So see you next time, guys. So till that, stay safe, take care, and bye.